What's up, YouTube? It's Crystal Knight here, coming at you for another video. Today we got some Light of Destruction. Yay! no one, no one can. It's Light of Destruction. It is what it is. If I didn't want to make a video about it, I wouldn't have bought this box. It's not really worth it. All the cards in here are pretty old, but we're gonna get into it today, and we're gonna see what we can get out of it. I know that there's a Ghost Rare Honest in here. Honestly, I really wouldn't care. Oh my god. Now, I always start this and I don't have a knife. Not too sure why. There we go. Just friction weld it open. There we go. Plastic. Blood for the blood gods and plastic for the sea turtles. Eat. Alright. Spent 20 bucks on this. Don't spend 20 bucks on this. Just don't. Watch me say all that, and then I pull the Ghost Rare. Wouldn't that be funny? There's your box. There's nothing in it. Get over it. Eat. What? Why are they in there like that? Don't buy this product. Don't buy this product. Oh my god, that's so funny. I do like the wings on Honest. They're kind of like Rainbow Dragon's wings. I like that. I know it's been like a week or two since I put up a video. Actually, can't remember. Ever since COVID, the days are just blending together. Cup of Ace, yay! I love drawing my opponent's cards. What do we got here? Ancient Force. Oh, okay. That's pretty cool. Dice Try. That's funny. Puns. Deformation. Oh! Arcana Force 21. That's like 21. That's pretty cool. Limiter removals. One Jaden's cards. Look at that little Cthulhu looking guy. That's pretty cool. So you're probably going to get about a holo out of every 2 packs. That seems to be the average from what I've seen. This product was supposed to be exclusive in the EU, by the way. Don't know why it's here. Just walked back from Walmart with it. Really weird. Arcana Force 7? Oh, I actually like Goblin Recon Squad. That's going right over there. That's a special card right there. I paid 20 bucks for this. Yeet. Hero Mask. Another Arcana Force card. Yeah, rare. Little Cthulhu guy again. Alright, last pack. Can we get the Ghost Rare Honest? Is there a Ghost Rare Honest? Does it exist? We will find out. Another Cup of Ace. I guess it's nice to have one of those. It's Pot of Greed, but lucky. Dice Try. Hero Mask. The rare. Some Light Sworns. You know, I could have sworn the Light Sworn deck had gotten reprinted. Unifrog. I love Unifrogs. Mystic Card of Light. Don't pay 20 bucks for this. Don't do it. It's not worth it. You have way better things to do with your money and time. If you want a Cup of Ace, just order it. There's the rare. That's what I missed. Okay. Yep. Not a very entertaining video. I am so sorry. I am sorry for spending 20 bucks on this. This video is not entertaining. We did get the Arcana Force boss monster, which is really cool. Focus. When this card is summoned, toss a coin. I love tossing coins. Heads during your end phase. You can send 2 monsters you control to the graveyard Woo! Tails. During your opponent's draw phase, add the top card of your graveyard to your hand. Okay. 3,100 defense. That's not too bad. 2 sacrifices. Alright. Alright, guys. Click like and hit subscribe. I know this wasn't a good video. This is just a short one. Nothing good in this set. Do not get it. Yeah, if you want a Judgment Dragon or a Honest, it's not here. It's not worth a Rainbow Honest either. I mean, I'm sure it's going to go for like a couple, maybe 30, 40 bucks. It's not really worth it. Actually, I do like the art in this card. Look at those planets. There are 4 of them. It's still whatever. Yeah, click like and hit subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.